What's up YouTube family, welcome back to another video. Today I have this delicious chicken quesadilla recipe for you guys, so stay tuned. Okay, so first I am going to start out with 1 pound of chicken breast. You can use chicken thighs if you are not a chicken breast lover. Then I'm going to go ahead and chop up the chicken breast into some small bite-sized pieces, just like this. After that, I am going to season it. So I am using some salt, some black pepper, some mixed up chicken seasoning, some mixed up all-purpose seasoning, and some paprika. You can use your favorite seasoning that you have at your home, okay? So now I'm going to mix it up, but you can drizzle a little bit of oil if you want in it to help to add a little bit of moisture, and then I'm going to allow it to marinate for some time. During this time, I went ahead and chopped up some onions and some bell pepper. You can add anything you want to this, such as hot pepper, garlic, anything that you want to help and spice it up. Okay, so on to cooking. I am going to pour a little bit of oil in the pot and allow it to heat up. Then I'm going to add the chicken into the pot. So I'm going to allow it to fry for about 2 minutes. Then I'll turn it over and fry it for another 2 minutes. This was smelling so delicious in the house. Oh my god, you know, I always enjoy doing these new stuff, and I'm telling you that the flavor that it gives off is a bomb. It's the best, you know. It's good to try new stuff, guys, so you can go ahead and try it. And you can also go ahead and subscribe to the channel and be a part of my family to help the channel grow. Okay guys, so now I'm taking them out. I'm going to add the bell pepper and the onions to the same pot and allow them to saute for a minute. Now we're going to add back the chicken and saute everything together so all the flavors can blend together. Okay guys, So now we are going to make the quesadillas. So to a flat pot or the pot you used before, as long as it has enough space can hold the tortilla, you're going to add a little bit of oil or butter. Use a paper towel or a little brush and spread the oil around in the pot. Okay, then I'm going to add the floured quesadilla to the pot. Add some cheese to it, so I use the mozzarella cheese and some cheddar cheese, and then I'm going to add back the chicken and the bell peppers. You're going to cover it and then allow it to toast until each sides are crispy and golden. And this is how it was looking when it was all done, guys. Some cheesy chicken quesadillas. Oh my god, you can try this at home. It's a nice fun way to eat something different from your normal food that you eat every day. And let me tell you guys, it was delicious. The flavors were bombing, like it was so nice. So guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Subscribe to the channel. Bye.